people, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, old time people have a saying, he may not come when you want, but he's always on time. Just after bringing about 5 trailer full of unicorn, right, for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday still, I was wondering how me I gonna move so much unicorn. Nothing I go on, sales kinda slow. I thought, boy, look at them unicorn, they go sit down for me. And out of nowhere, I received a video on Black Friday showing a group of individuals, right, carrying out an act where you have to see it for yourself, to believe. And now I realize the people them where spend money upon them thing there are the type of people that buys unicorns. Link up Politics Watch on IG, 2-for-1 sale, including a free bag of unicorn show. What was in the video? The video showed 2 men have one pigeon, one there on the left, one there on the right, and 2 of them pull the pigeon. And when they realized that them couldn't pop out the pigeon head, one man take it, pop out the pigeon head, and then proceed to drain the pigeon blood upon him ring finger, and somebody beside him join in as well. Now I don't know where the video is from, right? The voices them, clearly Jamaican voices, right? But I don't know where the video is from. Right? I don't even know if it's dub over. But when I got the video, send it go straight down on mobile right away and say, yo, I saw the thing work. Come right back. Yes. See me so the thing work. Right, so I don't know where it's from, but this is how it's done in real life. The man them rip off the pigeon head. Bare hands too. Never use a knife. Right? Never use a cutlass. And tear out the pigeon egg. You can tell it wasn't his first time. And based on how the people react while witness the whole thing, it wasn't for them first time either. See, it's one thing for hear see them things going on in Jamaica, but when you see it for yourself, you really have to wonder. Because as far as I'm concerned, it seems like some parts of Jamaica are living in a complete different realm. A realm where things like that is normal for them. And not only just normal, but as far as they're concerned, it's 100% reality. If them get yard ring and guard up and go for pigeon and rip off head and drain, then nothing can happen to them. And this is not something that is rare. I want you to understand, a lot of your favorite 87s, a lot of your favorite 90 octanes, a lot of your favorite entertainers, even some of your favorite business people, them go link the man for the guard ring too. And them do them ceremonies there too. And my rip off pigeon head too. And me say some of them all do all kind of things to monkey. But let me just say it, if anybody out there have a video of somebody performing certain acts and a monkey, please nobody send it to me. I'm gonna need them kind of images stuck in my head. Please. And if you see somebody doing anything to a monkey, report it to one of those animal groups. No animal deserve to be taken advantage like that. Right, and as we know, monkey can't walk along a station and go file a report. So them need people to stand up for them rights. But the reality is, people like 87 said, especially people who are involved in a danger and them thing there, because obviously they know what dead, right, and them know them have bully enemies, them a make all kind of money, and you know the money not really clean. So them figure more or less a man soon come for them, or especially in the scamming game. Don't bother talk about the scammers. Don't bother talk. Listen, some of your favorite scammers, some of your hypest scammers, some of your scammers them are wear the best clothes, drive the nicest car. If you ever see what them do a Friday night time on some animals, if you ever see some rituals that them go through at night time, in a them mind, be able to continue to live the life where them live, you would be surprised. But belief is belief, right? And if a man is convinced that this is how he will get protection, this is how he will get wealth, this is how he'll be able to move to the next level, they can't tell him nothing. They've messenger point out examples and tell him then, how come them other man over here so did guard up and them still dead? He must say, listen, no man, maybe they never do it right. Maybe for them ring was a cheap ring. Maybe they never link the right man. Right. I wonder if you realize how deep this thing going to Jamaican culture, especially in Jamaican badness. 87's like Preke Boy and Double Film and them Monday. Them the left out them rituals. Any money they make, have to spend back on them oil, spend back on them powder, get them regular trips, right? Double Film special used to love go back and forth Haiti. This is standard procedure. Enough for them mind, them gun is not enough. And one time them I write down them shopping list of things, right? If you help keep them alive, you best believe say them rituals and them pigeon, right, and them gathering and them thing there have to be apartheid. Right. Your typical 87 is like, alright, I'm gonna need my rituals and my powder and my oil. Alright, I'm gonna need see me can find a policeman who can, me give my thing and him tip me off when time I come, alright. I'm gonna need some kerosene for watch out the front of the community so if police are coming then pull a craft and tip me off, so alright. I still am running the line. But you best believe at the top of the list are them rituals, are them oil, are them gathering. Big money I make off of this gathering business. Big money I make off of this extra special protection business. That is why I have to get involved. We think I'm going to see billions being made and I try dip my toe a night. I dip my toe a night, but I'm dipping my toe with a superior product. I'm dipping my toe with my unicorns. Far better than any pigeon, right? If you think pigeon blood good, wait till you see unicorn blood. Right. Link me on IG. I'm selling a pair right now. What the man them really are going with? This is broad daylight, When you watch the video, right? Because by now you should know if you get it, right? Patreon squad, it's on the Patreon homepage, right? Everybody else, you can check it out on politicswatch.com. Obviously the video is 2 grams for sure, so as I said, the man literally tear off the pigeon head. Right? But it was broad daylight. They never in one cave. They never in one. When people think about them things, they think about a group of men underground and everybody cover off them face and like this deep ritual and the place dark and nobody can see nobody. That's what you vision, right? The man them do this in a broad daylight, sun out, everybody all laugh in the community. That's Jamaica. That's the thing there. The man tear the pigeon with him on. Tear off the pigeon. Are pigeons, well, I don't think they're protected species, but I don't know. Maybe one of them animal rights groups might contact him soon. I don't know. He look kind of rough on the pigeon. Right? Bare hand, man, tear the pigeon head. When you think like that, you have to wonder what else happens in Jamaica. Because if I let her go on a day, then we'll go on a night. And if you want to see your favorite 87, 90 or 116, if you want to see your favorite entertainer, your favorite celebrity, right, even your favorite pastor sometime, spend money on a certain ritual, make them hear say, them have one trial or come up. Make them get in a little trouble and want some help. At them time them spend money. 6, 7 figures, whatever they cost, them will spend it. Because people genuinely believe in this. Right? People believe, and you have to understand the human brain is a powerful thing. The human brain, there's something called the placebo effect. Right? If you give somebody a pill and tell them, say, listen, this pill can make you run faster. Even if that pill is nothing more than ice cement, if them believe, say, the pill can make them run faster, they will take the pill, which is just an ice cement, and they will run faster. That's the placebo effect. So enough man will pay you much money, if you get too much guard ring and get this and get that. For example, Preke Boy, he used to spend whole per money on all kind of things. When he used to go up and film apps them and get it, the reason why I'm doing get it is because he was very fit and he could have run very fast, very long. Right? He was very cunning. He was getting away based on his own accord. But in his mind, it was because of the guard ring. So that make him spend even more money on the guard ring. Right? Placebo effect. When you buy the ring, police shoot off for you and miss. You're like, oh, the guard ring make him miss. When in reality, that particular squad is just couldn't shoot or never see you, right? Or you did duck down right before him. But you can't tell him that at the gathering. That's the placebo effect. It make people deep down in their pocket and spend even more. At them telling them link back the man that give them the ring. Yo, give me 4 more of them, yeah. More 1 pound every finger. Right? More 1 pound every finger because the ring where you give me a while ago buck up in about 15 JDF. And the whole of them shoot off of me. And that one round catch me. Now I am convinced the ring is working and it will protect me. But the whole thing more I know is since them ring and work and gathering wheel and all them something there. How comes the whole of the mobile man them, scammer them, stone crusher man them? How come the whole of them man did out see me? Cause them man will buy a ring hard. The man will spend serious money on gathering. I don't know, I guess them go say them man never have the real link, right? But anyway, as me say, check out the video people. It might be too much for some people, like I say, very grimy. And man literally threw out the pigeon head with his bare hand. I remember one time the American rock star, I think it was Ozzy Osbourne, I remember him did bite off on pigeon head. Remember the world lost their mind? Well, this brother tear off the pigeon head with him bare hand. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.